Why am I receiving this sa sarili ko? Sabi ko sa asawa ko, I'm out of words. My own perspective, nung na-receive ko yung call mo sa akin, doon pa lang alam ko na it was real. At first, it's unbelievable because, like we said, we were scammed. And then, hindi ko pa senior sa asawa ko, invitation ako. Sabi ko, sana totoo na lang para kahit pa paano, I had gift to my wife after my vacation in the Philippines. Pinagpipray ko, totoo na lang. Right after your call, tinry ko muna i-compose yung sarili ko. I remember your number that you used to call me on Okada event. It is real, sabi ko sa sarili ko. So, I started explaining it to my wife. The tour itself, yung nalatag niya the entire tour from New York to LA and na-manage mo yung coordination with your department. Really appreciate that. Actually, yung na-receive namin 2 days prior ng trip, sabi ko, why am I receiving this sa sarili ko? Sabi ko sa asawa ko, I'm out of words. My own perspective, nung na-receive ko yung call mo sa akin, doon pa lang alam it was real. I think yung snow kasi sa place namin in Dubai, it was like the opposite. Mainit sa amin, and here in New York, it's snowing.
Are you excited to meet Jordan Clarkson?
To have him as an ambassador of Arena, sobrang excited and masaya kami dahil first time din namin yun Iba yung feeling na nandun ka tsaka yung nakikita mo siya sa TV. It's up close, yeah. Face to face. Nakapag-picture pa kami with my family. So ibang memories na naman yun. Yun yung hindi ko makakalimutan sa sarili ko kasi never ako nanonood din pa ng NBA or ng PBA, whatever it is na near courtside. Paka-lively nila.
Crowd influence?
Oo, yung crowd influence na mapapasabay ka sa kanila. As in, goosebump ka palagi, alam mo yun. Pero yung hindi ko makakalimutan doon talaga, yung city tour natin, Central Park, talagang pinupuntahan ng mga tao. It was good. It was good. Kasi, imagine, they serve a little, pero the quality itself, para fulfilling. I love steak actually. Yun yung mga favorite dishes ko. Ang inaabangan ko nung pagpunta natin dito is yung mabigay naman yung gusto ng asawa ko. Na may mga gusto siyang puntahan. You were able naman to give, to accommodate. Kasi more on city tours talaga kami. So yung NBA naman with the All-Stars, different level of excitement. Kasi imagine, lahat ng All-Stars nandun. Kita ko sila LeBron, si Kevin Durant, legends ng NBA players nandun. Parang it was lahat ng experience surreal sa amin Indescribable yung feeling pag nandun ka sa loob Not everyone can have that experience.
Arena Plus surprised you with the Cartier Mustang watch, and your wife also received something special like from Chanel out of, the provision of Arena.
Wala na akong ibang masasabi kundi thank you lahat sa mga binigay nyo sa amin, sa shopping nila, sa tour na to and all.
Overall, sir, how would you describe your US trip? Was it worth it?
It was worth it. Na-eliminate lahat ng doubts namin Sabi ko sa asawa ko, this is it. We're here. So everything that is planned with Arena Plus, it's real. So from New York to LA, eto na yon. Pupuntahan natin lahat yan, may enjoy natin lahat yan. Mag-thank you na lang tayo sa lahat ng ibibigay ng Arena sa akin. Especially to Mr. Su, thank you so much for having us and for inviting us on this wonderful experience. We are grateful to your generosity and leadership. And also to Miss Hannah, thank you so much. That's all I can say. My family would like also to thank you for everything. The experience, another level of experience that we're having in this US tour. Thank you so much. To Arena Plus, thank you so much for this trip. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity as well. Without you guys, without Arena Plus, hindi ito mangyayari sa amin. And alam nyo, this kind of experience is one of a kind and never happened to us again. Thank you so much, guys.